you seen lumber today? $550. It's on pace for the worst year in the history of the commodity.
Well, yeah, I mean, people should think about that. Not only that, but the mortgage applications are now back to where they were in 2000. We have, if you think about it, a lot more people in this country than we had in the year 2000. So, yes, lumber's a good sign. Aluminum is down. Obviously, we know, I met with Nucor yesterday. Steel is down. I just keep coming back to look out. The raw costs are coming down. Housing is clearly peaked. When housing peaks, it then rolls over very fast. Will the Texas Instruments of the world come to help the auto companies just when the financing reaches 7%?
Yeah.
I don't know. The raw costs have peaked. Ask Sherwin-Williams, though.
Oh, brother.
Yes, Sherwin-Williams, they still have some raw cost problems. Not everything is TiO2, that nemesis with that makes things whiter. It just never seems to work.
Yeah.
But I do think that, where we are is you do the 3/4 and then you wait. Because if things are really peaking on the 3/4, and I'm looking at mortgage applications, then I say, well, wait a second. Look at what happened with Walmart, the largest retailer, which was horrendous. And look at what's happening with housing. And then you have to figure out what to do with travel, entertainment, and leisure. Why? Because there's such a gulf right now between the affluent people who are spending like mad.
Amazing you say that.
LVMH.
Because the warnings from Walmart and Target and Bed Bath and even Adidas sort of collides with what, say, LVMH said yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, LVMH, obviously their numbers weren't as good as the previous quarter, but I've got to tell you, LVMH just is, there isn't anything in that portfolio that you can just afford if you're, an average person. But then you have something like, Reckitt Benckiser, which just had an amazing number, and there's just hygiene took off during the pandemic, and it's been staying strong. I'm looking for things that the affluent people and the non-affluent people are doing, and there's not a lot of, let's just put it this way. If you're the Fed chief, I think you have to be thinking, I'm hurting the working person, and somehow I'm not hurting the affluent. The affluent are still spending. They're creating a big problem when it comes to job hop, when it comes to spend. So maybe we're not done. And I think that all of us would agree that that inflation is running way too high. Certainly he would.
Sure.
But there is a moment where we have to say, well, let's push and wait. Maybe we wait for the summer, see if the PPI keeps coming down, or see if the Financial Times is right, the PPI keeps going up.